Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diah Ananda. In this video, I will explain to you about how to use the to be verb in present and past tense. So let's jump to the first. What is to be? The to be is a verb used to describe something or someone. In English, it can be used to say different things according to the context. However, the most common use of the to be verb is to talk about names, about age, about feeling, about nationalities. Also about profession, especially when talking in the present tense. Now, forms of to be. The best form is be. Why be? Because this is the most basic form of the verb. It's mostly used when using imperative and also as the infinitive. An imperative tells the person you are talking to do something. For example, be nice to your sister. This is tells the person you're talking to do something too nice to your sister. And also the infinitive. The infinitive, the most general form of the verb not specific for person. For example, I like to be at my house. This is the example of infinitive. Now, to be in the present tense. This form of the verb is mainly used in the simple present, and its meaning can change depending on the use in the context. The affirmative. An affirmative sentence simply states something. It's any declaration that is positive. An affirmative sentence expresses the validity truth of an assertion. For example, I'm become I'm, you are become you are, he, she, it is become he, she, it's, we, you, they are, were, because you're, they. And also negative. A negative sentences is usually made negative in English by placing the adverb not after the infinitive verb. For example, I'm not or you are not become you are, he, she, it become isn't it, we, you, they are become aren't. This is the example for names. We have a little girl and we used to be is. Why is? Because the subject is singular, so we use is. And this is the example for age. We have a little baby girl, and for name we use. For example, is she is 6 months old, and the reason is the same. For the name why we use is because this is the singular subject. And this is example for feelings. We use Leo and Sandra are happy. Why are? Because Leo and Sandra is a plural subject because two people, so we use are. And also for nationalities, the example is we are from Thailand. The reason is we use are because the subject is plural. And also for provision, the example is you are a painter. Because you is a plural, so we use are too. Right? And next, the to be in the past tense. When talking about the past, the to be verb changes. It forms again. I was become I wasn't, you were become you weren't, he it was because he wasn't, she wasn't, or it wasn't, was they were because we weren't, they weren't, or you were. Examples. This is some example in the past to be in the past tense. The example is I was at the school yesterday. Why was? Because I use was, and this is the past because you know yesterday is the past tense, right? And the second one is Billy and Elliot were students. Now they are doctors. Billy and Elliot were because they are the plural. So we use were, and this is the past tense because now they are a doctor. And now you were 10 years old. Last year, last year is past tense too, and you is the plural, so we use were. And the last is it was raining. A while ago is past tense and it a river to was because this is singular. So I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.